MMT. Look at that gauge down here. Pop it. No, it popped 100 and popped down. We hit that up there on the high. That's that 369 on the opening bell on that Google action. 0.41. I got to break that high. Keep that moving going. Look at that ratio. 0.42. Oh, we just had another teeny up at 45 pennies. Burning at 96. I got a 50. I got a 50. I'm tromboning. Do I see a finish line on 50? Do I see a finish line? Nope, I didn't get it. They slide that bid at a 50 or not? 50 or not? Here it is. It's tromboning. That keeps coming up. It keeps hitting 50. I can't get past that finish line. I'm coming back down toward that teeny line. That's that 369 intraday high. 577.77 off that low of 574. That was that teeny expansion. Can I break a half delta? A half delta play in action.
93.
See Chuck
Dow at 9%.
You got a big buyer at 577.
Here are the calls that we had purchased yesterday at $13.70, or $13.60, by the way. And we're tromboning today, but there's a wide bid and ask. And as a market maker in the option pit, we can always choose what we want to do with the public. And we can also control other people's emotions by flashing trades out on a limit that we know they're not going to buy, but then they're going to wish, meaning that if we ever want to sell, we get the public to pay us our profit. And that's what that is. Now,
Google at 99.
So basically that's a $600 call. That's on yesterday's videos and price action MMTs when we bought those. We need to see a trombone.
New high on the comp and NASDAQ.
We need to break
at 100.
50. There, we just broke it.
Yeah,
51. I broke 51. Did you see that?
Yep, they just popped the comp and the NASDAQ.
I broke it. I've got a teeny breakout. This is live right here. Here, let me get that $16.
MCP low on the DXN.
They're doing good. They're
yeah, we'll go to the 580 hopefully
today.
today.
Joy. What did you do, young lady?
95.
Nothing. I'm waiting for the
Tell me, I need to know.
85 and 93, they just pulled them back a little bit.
I need to know. Here's that Google. They just slided that bid right there. Ever so slightly, but it did bid pop. All the calls for now at 45 cents a teeny. That's that breakout. Live in action. Live in action. I'm sorry.
Chuck, you stay long there.
This
Google
is
at 92.
real right now. 0.46. I made a high of 0.56. We got up to the 578.20 handle.
97 on the comp and NASDAQ.
Chipotle
made a new high on that MCP.
New high on MCP.
Still long.
Oh, nice.
Who's long? Who's long?
Who's long?
Sean's long. I'm long MCP 56.
All right.
Oh, nice.
Google's at 90. I'm long that Amazon, baby.
Oh, nice. Tell me, long that Amazon.
Google at 88.
Oh, let me hear some more glory, please.
NASDAQ's at 99. New high in the comp and NASDAQ.
MCP 98%.
There's that Google price action. We're up toward that 56 ratio. Am I going to break that ratio high? Am I going to break the ratio high? I'm at a 0.55 with the 0.56. Do I get past the finish line?
On the 580, pushing 95.
It's still
100% on the comp and NASDAQ.
MCP 98%. Its high was 65 flat.
96%, 100% new high on the comp and NASDAQ.
54. Do I break that ratio? Do I break the ratio? Do I break that ratio high? Do I get past that finish line? I'm tromboning at 98. I'm at 55. Do I get past that finish line? He slid that bit down one teeny pop, two teeny, one teeny, two teeny pop off the bottom at 96.
Stay long that Q-com.
Still breaking
I just did it. I broke the high.
You're 1420 on the ask.
I broke the high to 0.60. Positive ratio.
99,
positive ratio. All live right here in that entry. Look at that thing.
NDX 99%.
60 is the high.
Google at 96. Google at 96, 99. 100% on the comp and NASDAQ. You're 1390 by 1410.
It goes
phone in that breakout. This is a live breakout. Real entries right off of that trombone.
99 on the comp and NASDAQ.
$4 spread off that bottom so far, MMT.
Rigged.
And I'm
I
breaking.
100% on Google.
64, I got past the finish line again.
About to get in the money on
Half
5.8.
delta of about 65.
100% on Google. 94. 100% on the comp and NASDAQ.
Let that breakout run. That's a 1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teeny,
14,
pop.
15.
1 teeny, 2 teeny, 3 teeny, pop. At 96.
New high on the
Do I
MCP.
get past the finish line?
14, 10 by
64.
30.
Hey, 0. Oh, no, do I get past that finish line? Flag, I did.
Yeah, we are going
0.67.
579.
0.67. 0.67. Burn that clutch. We made that intraday high. This is live entry
100%,
right here.
100%,
I just got up above that teeny line. How do you like that
Everything's
double
burning.
action teeny line?
NASDAQ.
Look at that triple diamond alert. SMF quad trip, 3 trip, and a trip to the high of 579.29.
1420 by 50,
and I got
Mario.
at 0.71 ratio.
97. 97.
Go
Look at that price action breakout. All right, Scotty MMT, are we thromboning? Tell
We're
all
still
your
at
new
94, 98.
Oh,
We're really elevated in
MMT.
the IR.
Oh,
We're just
MMT,
burning.
almost 1 delta up. So tell
Yep,
everyone what it means.
$6.11 off the bottom at 95%. It's called the
That's
SMF
short MCP.
squeeze.
Is that the short squeeze, Mr.
Short
Schubeck?
squeeze. That's the revenge of Larry Page right there.
That's the revenge of the Larry Page after the
Sean.
big controversy. We're still
Watch
live
the
on the entry.
6480 and a little bit above that. If
7%
it wicks
on
down to
Google.
that area and the IR comes up again, your shot will be short-lived.
94, 96.
Yeah, he may just be a
Just-
pullback.
just
I
keep an
understand
eye on that.
I'd stop. Okay.
Keep an eye on price.
Yep. If your bid and ask is staying, if your IR is staying
Low
strong,
75 or 71.
well then, hey, it's a strong pullback, and anything above 75 equals a bid pop.
Right.
88.84 to
There you
go.
8.89.
You gotta-
Am I going to break it? I have
Well,
broke
didn't
many
open
intraday
below.
trend
All right.
ratio highs. 8.6. We're still live in this breakout.
Watch 64,
Right
66
now,
price
it's
areas.
6:51. We're 21 minutes into that live action breakout, both on the equity, both on the call options. And guess what? It's happening live. This isn't me showing you, hey,
So now you
guess
got your
what we
6
did
bar, 3
after the
6
fact.
down.
No,
Watch the
this is not after the
64,
fact. This is
68
real.
price area.
Say I know it. Say
Low
I know it.
95, comp at 94,
They
NASDAQ
burned
at
that
97.
That's where that 9 bar
580.55
opens.
off of that breakout.
Watch the IR.
Right there. That
See
was
how it
good for
wicked
the
down
call side
to
action on that short squeeze. Taking the
75.
shorts
69,
out.
60.
Now, when it
Yeah.
pulls back intraday, we'd like to see this 0.89. That's the intraday
I,
ratio
97
high
on Google,
on the
98.
opening bell. I'm about to break it
99.
again. Can I get past the finish
That's
line?
right.
90.
Go.
I got past that finish line. Right
100%
here,
on the
live
comp and
action.
NASDAQ.
I got
100%
past
on
it
the
right
index.
there.
NASDAQ burning, comp burning, Google ramped to 100% new high.
I burned right there and dropped down to 85. Can I break that 90? Am I going to get past the finish
stop
line
on that,
again
Jim.
on this
Yeah.
first 30
I
minutes?
think just
price
like the rest
action?
of them, when they're strong, these wicks
95,
downs are chances to
95.
get long again. You
Yeah.
know,
He's pulling back for a long. I'm
those
gonna go long.
shots are you got to get the wick up.
Almost
Here,
at
yes.
15 minutes.
So we're on
25
live
minutes.
video at the top of the move right here. This is what we did. Right, Leo? Right, Bill? You guys are
Yes.
doing the free trial. We're not joking. The thing about it is, now that we burnt that clutch, and I talked about pre-market, a gap
Yeah,
up.
stop.
Remember, Leo and Bill, I said a gap up and don't look back. Well, that's what that move was, and now we're going to have its normal intraday pullback. We'll be looking down here at 579.11 half bar. This one here is ultimately at 578.04. What we would be looking at here and now, and we'll conclude that intraday top in the first 25 minutes of price action. Right there on that wonderful, beautiful
See
breakout.
now, Sean, that green bar up